checked it on. So if we head over to the extension once again, as you can see, hello guys and welcome to AI plus more, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can remove the redirect virus or any viruses on Google Chrome on your PC. So there can be some times where you feeling like you've done a mistake in your browsing experience in Google Chrome, and you might have went into some illegal websites or some shady websites which might have caused a virus to enter your PC. And yes, I'm a bit sleepy, but let's get to it. So that will be done immediately. So how do you actually work on this? Okay, so the first thing that you can do is you need to focus on the screen here so that we can be done with this easily. It might take a bit while than our usual videos, but it's still easy. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you can do is to head here on the top right where you'll find these triple dots. Then you click the extensions and we head over to manage extensions. So if you see here, we have installed a lot of extensions. Many of these may seem to be quite shady. Like for example, this one, the Blob Video Downloader, and it says that the extension violates the Chrome Web Store policy. Some extensions such as these could be the cause of a virus on your PC. So if you've downloaded or if you installed a lot of extensions on your Google Chrome browser, and many of these are some that you're not aware of or some that you don't even use, then it is highly recommended that you start deleting or removing these from your browser for your own safety. I mean, it's not even useful either, so let's just delete it. So here we go, we just click delete, remove, and now when we click on report abuse here, this allows Google to dive into and investigate what this extension is, but we don't really need to do that for this one because it says that Google has already found, since it says that it does violate their policy. But for those that they haven't found but you think is kind of suspicious, you can always check it on. So if we head over to the extension once again, as you can see, it says that there's an error and that the page can no longer be found. So it's out of Google Chrome's store now, so everyone's alright. Okay, the next one is doing a reset of your browser. So how can you do this? Let's head over to settings, and here we'll find something called reset settings here. Just click on it, and then there's a setting that says restore settings to their original defaults. Let's click on this, and then what it will ask us is that if we want to really reset. And what it does is that it deletes lots of our data as well as disable some extensions and reset some settings of Chrome. This will turn it back to its like factory settings. If you were using a phone, it would be something like that. So if it's necessary, then you should head over and reset your settings. You might lose some, but for the greater good, it is still necessary. But for me, I don't really feel like there's something wrong with my PC or a virus that has invaded my system, so I'm just gonna let it be. Alright, the next one would be on your device itself or the operating system that you are on. So it is removing the virus from within your PC. So let's head over to Windows Security. Here we will find something called virus and threat protection. This is a built-in virus protection on your PC that every PC on Windows 11 should have. As for me, there is something called 360 Total Security because I have installed it. But for you, these things on the bottom should be what really would appear. And as you can see, we have the option to quick scan. This scans any virus that will be found on your PC, but quick scan isn't really enough. And so what we should do, and what I want you to do, is to head over to scan options, click on scan options, and what it will do is you will be able to choose different scans such as full scans, custom scans, or the Micro Defender Antivirus, which is an offline scan. So when we go to a full scan, it checks your entire file or data on your PC, which may take for a very, very long time. And as you can see, the full scan is now running when you start running it, but you also have the option to cancel it. But honestly, it's going to take a while, so we will need you to be patient for this one, because it is much better than not having a virus, than having a virus just lurking around on your device. So it is very necessary that you do wait for this. It's gonna take hours, but it's much better. Again and again, I must emphasize the importance of this. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.